Hi everyone, this is Dr. Reuben Chen and welcome to another Fit Tip. Today we're going to be diving into Sunrider's herbal supplement Assimilaid, a product you can use to help balance your digestion. The digestive system is made up of the digestive tract and organs that aid in digestion. This system's main job is to break down food into nutrients, which the body then absorbs and uses for energy, growth, and cell repair. Oftentimes, the digestive system can become sluggish and inflamed, leading to common and irritating stomach issues such as indigestion and heartburn. But these uncomfortable problems can be addressed by taking Sunrider's gentle yet effective herbal supplement, Assimilaid. Assimilaid is designed to target the body's digestive system with a nourishing complex of herbs that can help your body process food quickly, efficiently, and comfortably. Atractoclodes root is a popular traditional Chinese medicine and often used to promote healthy digestion. Pinellia root is a tuber known to soothe the stomach and is often used to aid motion sickness. Orange peel is traditionally used to treat indigestion and it supports gastric secretion. Fennel seed and its essential oils are high in protective antioxidants. Fennel seed is also a good source of fiber, which supports regularity and supports healthy digestive tract. Dating back to ancient China, these time-tested natural ingredients have been used throughout history to lubricate the intestinal tract and aid in healthy digestion. Assimilaid is one of the 5 formulas in Quinary, Sunrider's concentrated super supplement. Have you tried Assimilaid? Please leave a comment below, we'd like to know. To find out more about Assimilaid and other healthy living supplements, visit us at www.sunrider.com or talk with your local Sunrider independent business owner. And if you like this video, please share it with your friends and follow us on our social media channels. This is Dr. Reuben Chen and I'll see you next time.